Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, you're going to be seeing Mr. Eric show some amazing knives that were made by members of the Knife Makers Guild right close to my house. Did not even know that. About 35 miles down in Leesburg, Georgia, right north of Albany, Georgia, we have two members of the Knife Makers Guild. And you'll learn their names in this video because I can't remember them. But anyway, I'm going to reach out to them next week somehow and see if we can't get both of them, or at least not one, up here at the Ellaville Knife Show. November 14th, that's the second Saturday in November. We already got confirmation that Ken Griffey will be here again signing the exclusive knives that I'm getting made. Cannot wait to get those made. It's going to be the Piranha. I haven't picked out the handle material yet, but we're working on that right now. It's going to be cool. Gonna be real cool, and he'll be there signing them. We're only making 100, and those will be only at the Ellaville Knife Show, November 14th. Hope to see y'all there. But anyway, also, that right there, guys, is my new display. I'm rearranging some stuff in here. It's a mess in here right now, but that right there, I'll reveal how much I paid for it, and the new knives that are gonna be in Tuesday night's auction on Whatnot, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, May 19th. I picked up more knives yesterday. And the video will speak for itself. But that right there, I'll reveal how much I paid for it in tomorrow's video. So you'll be seeing me knife hunt at the trading post, and also what I paid for that display case right there. Love it, guys. I love it. They called me, and my jaw dropped on how much they offered it to me for. So anyway, I had to make a special trip over there. When I walked in, I was very surprised. So the video will speak for itself tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I also want to remind you about the Memorial Day knife on my website. Only 3 is left. I have some for Tuesday night's auction on Whatnot. That's 7 p.m. Eastern Time, May 19th. Link is down in the video description. But also, I have Coral Reefs knife left over there on my website, and I have some of those in the Whatnot auction Tuesday night as well. So just letting y'all know, guys, only 3 left available on the website, the Memorial Day, and only 5 left of the Coral Reef knives. The Coral Reef knives are UV activated. They glow in the dark. UV light activated, and then they glow in the dark. And they only make 600 of those knives. I only have 5 left on my website available. Again, I will have some for Tuesday night's auction. But there's the Slimline Trapper is what I have, and there's only 7 knives in the set, only 600 made of each knife. I'm getting the second knife here in about a week. So, but we only have a few left of the first knife, which is a Slimline Trapper. I think the second knife is a little lockback, I think. So we'll see. We'll see. I have to confirm that with Mr. Ken. Anyway, both links are down in the video description, guys. Thank y'all again for all the support, and I cannot wait to share that with y'all in tomorrow's video. But you're fixing to see some amazing knives by Mr. Eric, what he bought. And he even reveals how much he paid for a few of them. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, I just want to break into our regular scheduled program and make an announcement about a giveaway, okay? I want y'all to help me with something, and whoever I pick that helps me the most is going to win this Coral Reef knife from Bear & Son. It's a Slimline Trapper, UV light activated, and it glows in the dark. I have 5 left on my website. I'm having some left in auction, but I'm giving one away. If somebody helps me name my new mascot here in the at the Knife Doctor world or realm or whatever you want to call it, my channel, it's my little squirrel.
Y'all got any pocket knives? I ain't looking for no nuts or acorns.
He ain't looking for no nuts or acorns. He is looking for a knife, okay? But whoever helps me name him, it's got to be, I'd prefer it to be knife related, but it could be just a cute name too. And whoever says the first name first, like if somebody calls him Kevin, whoever says Kevin to start with, and I pick that name, wins, okay? It can't be repetitive names. So just letting y'all know. But here's a coral reef knife right here, guys. Again, I have 5 of these on my website, dailybladerecon.com. But there it is right there. You got there's a little shark right there on the bolster, and you got coral reef right there, and you got one of 600. But I just love that little shark right there, and I love that blade shape right there. And these things are sharp. It's 420HC steel, and look here, they are UV light activated. See there how it glows? Ain't that cool? Awesome how it glows. See, let me get it closer. See there? Very cool, ain't it? This is the knife you're gonna win, guys, right here. If you help me name my little squirrel, I'm having trouble naming him. But that's it right there. We're gonna put this to the side. Again, I have 5 of these on my website, and then I have some available for the auction this coming Tuesday night. So again, guys, y'all leave the comments down below. My little squirrel potential name. If I pick one, you're gonna win this knife. We're gonna set it right there. But thank y'all again, guys, for y'all's help. And now back to our regular scheduled program.
Customs I got from Kenny.
Mr. Kenny.
I'll just show some of them.
Oh.
My gosh.
Oh, I saw.
You just met him yesterday and got some for Matt, right?
Have you shown this one before?
No, he just got them yesterday.
No, I got these Sunday.
Sunday.
Oh
These
my
3
God.
That's bone right there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Hold
like
that
stabilized bone.
My gosh.
It's like
forwards.
Bobby Tyson from Leesburg, Georgia, which is close to Albany.
That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh.
There's a
Open that one right there, too.
Oh, I love that.
I love that
pattern.
one right
Look
there.
at the belly on that thing.
That's made from a file.
yeah.
Dude, is he still alive?
I think so.
Yes. Kenny
Does he still do knives?
Yeah, I think so.
That's file too, right there.
Dude, that is beautiful
That's a pretty
work.
spacers that's like a Randall kind of the way they done the spacers.
Yeah. Look at that stag.
Yeah, some
Made out of a file.
Do you know what kind of steel he's using?
I don't know.
These were files here. Carbon steel.
Yeah. That's a file. You're right.
Yeah. That's leather. Does he do the leather
He
too?
did the leather.
I think so. This has got his name in the
Oh yeah.
B. Tyson, Georgia.
That's
Handmade.
nice stuff too.
And he's a member of
You know what I'm
the
saying?
Bobby Tyson
nice
is
sheath
a member
right
of the
Yeah,
Knife
you know,
Makers
I haven't gotten
Is it
into
really?
sheaths yet.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Out of
And so is
Leesburg.
Hammond. So is Hank Hammond.
Who's that now?
He's out in the Leesburg area also.
Is
He's
he
a
really?
member of the Knife Makers Guild.
Well, did they ever meet somewhere?
They're going
I love
yeah,
that.
they
Isn't
do gun
this-
shows and
This is beautiful.
killer.
Yeah, it's like
I love the belly on that.
I like the shape of it. I like
I
the
love the
too.
bone.
Look at it. Yeah,
Kevin,
it's
they
all
do
pretty.
gun,
looks like
gun and knife
fossilized
shows
bone.
and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I was thinking it was just
I love for him to come up to the Ellaville Knife Show.
Oh, that'd be hell, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the way this one. It's for a right-handed. The rough part of the stag is right there where your fingers are. So
Yeah.
you can get a good grip on it.
I love that.
That's an EDC fixie.
That's a beautiful
That's
sheet
the
too.
size that you pocket carry, front pocket.
That's
Beautiful.
right there, ain't it? Or is it? That don't look right.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's beautiful. And what's his name again?
Bobby Tyson,
Bobby Tyson.
Where's he out of?
Leesburg, which is close to Albany.
It's about 40 miles from my house, about 35.
okay.
Yeah.
Far.
Very
Does
nice.
he have a website or do you know?
I know he's
It's
on
all
Facebook.
soldered in too.
Oh,
I had to check him out. What now?
Everything's all soldered in too.
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful.
Like a Randall.
Beautiful.
And I got some Billy Watson knives.
Now, who is this?
He's from Deatsville,
shape.
Alabama.
Oh, look at the gnarl on that one.
Yeah, look at that one. That was really pretty.
Look at that crown.
Woo! Yeah, he made these 3 right here.
That really feels good.
Yeah, I like that crown on there though.
Check that out.
Yeah, look at that one.
That's leather right there.
Man, that's beautiful.
You want to do this?
You like
No,
the
I just-
acrylic.
I'm doing it because I didn't see him either.
So this is leather right here, and the acrylic dipped it.
And you got these from Mr. Kenny?
Yeah, look how he did this right here, where you put your finger, how it flares out.
Oh,
That
yeah.
guard does it.
Yeah.
Makes like a little guard there for your
Yeah.
finger.
Very cool.
Got the good jimping.
That's
on it.
perfect size for my hand.
That is nice.
Yeah, these two are pretty much the same, just blade, just a different
goes on that
handle.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's wood there, ain't it?
yeah. See, that one's wood, stag, and some kind of acrylic.
Very nice. Love it, man.
I like that bone there, boy. I thought that was fossilized bone. Of some sort
It's
of
either stabilized or fossilized. It looks kind of like fossilized because it's so dark, you know, like
That's
mammoth
nice.
ivory looks kind of like that. Yeah, these feel good in your hand.
They do. They do. You know.
I like the weight.
Yeah.
I think he's a member of Knife Makers Guild too.
Also, yeah, Watson, yeah. Watson, Hank Hammond, all them fellows.
Wow.
Guild. Yeah, these two are Hank Hammond knives right here. Look at the blade on that.
Ooh. Ooh, I like all those. Those are cool.
Well, he liked them too.
I went crazy, man.
These were all purchased at one time.
That is nice.
Oh my gosh.
I think that one goes
Wait.
in there. Yeah.
Where does this go?
It goes in this one.
This one. There you go.
Let's, yeah, let me look.
I know.
Oh my
I
gosh.
want to see that one. That's cool.
Oh.
That one right there.
This
Yeah.
is cool.
Never seen a knife like that before.
Yeah, I mean it's got
That's a sticker and a half.
It's probably,
right
I guess
there,
it's a Skinner, you know.
Yeah.
It's
This is a Warncliffe. Like,
Yeah.
that is cool.
It
And the
is.
handle kind of man.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at the
It's
back
all
of the sheet, Kevin.
symmetric.
Yeah, I like
That
that.
one you carry.
Yeah, I like
This is
that.
good little carrying knife.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last one I got. I kept looking at it. I said, "Shoot, I ain't leaving that behind."
Oh,
I got
no.
all these.
I know, right?
So, if you don't mind, what does something like that run?
I give him $75 for
Rub it
that
on.
one.
No, you
Woo!
didn't.
Yeah,
What about this one?
not like 100 for that one.
Wow.
I was like, man, you
Look
can't.
at that handle.
You
right
can't
there.
get a spider coat for that.
Oh, this is great. That is beautiful.
It's got a nice sheath too.
It does. And where's that one at?
This
It
is
goes
right
in
here.
that one.
You want to see that?
Yeah. Oh, I like this guy's style.
Yeah, yeah. I think he's got a.
Where's he from again? Alabama?
Nah, he's from Georgia, isn't he?
Who is this?
Hammond, Hank Hammond.
Hank Hammond from Leesburg.
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 I thought Bobby Tyson.
A lot of
from
people.
Leesburg.
Well, a lot of people say Lee County on one and Leesburg on the other to keep them separated.
Okay.
Okay, he makes some nice stuff. This I ain't figured out who made this one here, but it was so pretty.
Man.
I think Wade kind of wanted that one, but I had to break his heart.
Yeah, yeah. He beat me to it.
Oh, he did?
He beat me to
Well,
it.
it's got something.
Kenny,
right there.
me and Larry both was looking at knives,
Uh-huh.
and we wanted one bad. I
got
picked
some on
out
the
one, Larry picked out one, and he says, fellas,
That's
no
Squirrel,
knives will be
Wheel.
sold until Eric gets here.
Oh.
I said, okay.
There's
argue with that
the
because-
makers on here, on top of the
Maker
grade
marks on the
Spine
spine.
up on the stone.
Well, I mean, Wheel 2006.
You know, it's got a little arrowhead, like a Skagel
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
arrowhead, but I don't know who made that.
Have you tried to look them
I
up?
looked around a little bit, but
It looked like something was etched. Right? Was it the American flag?
it's hard to search on, with that.
I saw that.
If you put Wheel 2006, a lot of stuff comes
There
in.
it does.
So hard to
But,
know
but,
why.
but you can you can add his picture though and help a
Well, I
lot.
don't know how to do that.
Yeah.
I'm low tech.
Yeah, it looks like there was something on there. at
Yeah.
one time. Let me see. Oh, it's just a flag.
At least you don't have a flip phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little more handsome than Wade, but I'm not.
Don't
not
leave
much.
me alone with my flip phone.
Look at that thing.
That's brass, ain't it?
Yeah, brass push dagger.
What did Mark
Golly.
call that brass?
He said they had to cast it.
Casted.
The guy that made it had to cast that brass under that blade.
Sounds
I
like
guess.
a covered over.
Looks like something from the old West, like Doc Holliday would have.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't think you had it in you.
I'm your huckleberry.
From the old West, like Doc Holliday would have.
Yeah.
When the card game goes bad,
Yeah.
pull it right out of your waistband.
That is so
Does that
cool.
say redneck?
It's something yeah, they gotta scratch something out
Red
there.
something out there.
Yeah, it looked like they just scratched something on there.
Very cool. That's nice.
Yeah,
Check-
I hadn't figured
check
out
that
who
out.
made that one. It's got a
Oh.
mark on it, but
That's
A
beautiful.
little pokey.
I like that one now.
yeah.
I knew
That's
that's
a
right.
perfect size.
That's right up
beautiful
Wade's alley right
See,
there.
originally he wanted it because it's got that leather in
Oh yeah. It wasn't a knife, it was a leather, wasn't it?
Right. Yeah.
Oh, look at the patina on that.
Yeah, that's cool, ain't
Oh, yeah.
It's got an old West look to it.
it? It does.
Slip that in your boot and you're ready to go.
Well, thank you, Eric, for always stealing the show.
My God. This is what you bring this kind of stuff every time?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Not
boy.
every time.
Eric's good at it.
I'm always on the hunt, you know.
He steals the show every time. That's why he's last but not least. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. How about those knives that Mr. Eric brought? He bought them from Mr. Kenny, and Mr. Kenny bought them from Mr. Don Jones's wife. Mr. Don Jones passed away last year. He was a Vietnam veteran. He had 3 tours of Vietnam. He was wounded, and just a great guy. I've known him for a short time, but he was fun to talk to. He come to the first Ellaville knife show in Seoul, and he was very pleased of the crowd, and he was very amazed of the crowd that we brought. He said it was one of the best shows he'd ever seen run at that time, because it was such a small place, but it had so many people there. And the sales were great, and he really enjoyed himself, and I'm so glad he did. But these knives were from Mr. Don Jones's collection, and I'm glad they're going to a great home, and Mr. Eric bought those. It's just amazing the knives that Mr. Don Jones had. He once told me he had several Randalls as well. Never got to see those, but he was just a good guy. He really was, and he'll be missed in the knife world, just put it that way, and he already is. Well, anyway, guys, Eric brought some amazing knives. I'm so glad he did. I just loved seeing the knives and the stories behind the knives that Eric usually brings. It's just good stuff. It really is. I love to hear him talk about the history of that knife or the history of World War II. It's just fascinating to me. It really is. Anyway, guys, again, don't forget to help me name my squirrel now. He ain't looking for no acorns or nuts. He's looking for a knife. So y'all help me name him, and you'll win that Bear & Son Coral Reef knife. It's going to be cool. And again, don't forget, I have 5 left on my website, and I also have only 3 Memorial Day knives on my website. The link is down in the video description. Thank y'all again for the support, and we will have both the Coral Reef knives and the Memorial Day knives on Tuesday, and I hope to get rid of them all that night. So hope to see y'all there. Going to start everything off at $1. I have a Case, Kershaw. We got Bear & Son. Just some good stuff, guys. Good stuff. And we're also going to be giving away some knife slips made by Skulls and Hides. Probably giving 3 or 4 of those away. And I'll be giving some Bear & Son knives away. And I'll be giving some Case knives away. So it's going to be cool. Hope to see y'all there. Thank you all for all the support. And the link is down in the video description to my show as well. Anyway, guys, thank y'all again so much. I cannot wait to share that with y'all, how much I paid for it, and also the other knives I picked up there. I was very surprised. And there's one special knife I'm keeping. Now, I paid up a little bit for it, but I still paid cheaper than what they're going for. Can't wait to share that knife. That's going to be a video right by itself, because it's a whole series. They're high dollar, but there's a whole series commemorating American heroes. That's the only hint that I'm going to give you. I'm talking about wartime heroes. So, very cool. I didn't even know Case made something like this until I ran across it in their store, and I got it for what it come out as, and they're going for $100 more than what I paid for it right now, and they're rare. So, that'll be in tomorrow's video too. But again, you'll see it in tomorrow's video, but we're going to do a video all by itself. And I'm going to start collecting those. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Let's see, guys. Until we meet again, guys. Look at there. Skulls and Hides. Zippos. And leather cologne. Don't forget, it's Bigfoot approved.
This video was sponsored by Leather and Zippos Cologne. It's Bigfoot approved.
Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.